Today we're going to remove the intake and exhaust variable valve timing solenoids on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove this pigtail from the sensor here. This is a 2.4 liter turbo. Alright, using a 7mm socket, we'll loosen up this hose clamp here. We'll then disconnect it from here, pull up on the box on both corners, and out it comes, and we'll set that over to the side. Sorry, my phone like always dying. All right, next we'll do these safety clips from here. I just did the water pump on here so everything's nice and hot. Press these in and pull back. Same thing here, and pull back out just like that. And then we're going to remove these bolts holding the solenoids here. This is the exhaust, this is the intake, the way you're able to tell. This is the exhaust side. Intake's over here. The doy. So we'll loosen these up. We're using a 5/16 12 point. This is the difference. This is 12 point, 6 point. So you want to make sure you are a 12 point, because these are like a Torx head bolt. And we'll loosen the intake one as well, and let's drive those bolts out of there. Alright, and these are super hot, and I'm gonna just throw this rag here underneath, maybe like right here underneath that, or on top of that serpentine belt, because it is gonna drop some oil. I believe it will. We'll wiggle these things out, and it's the seal on these that actually go bad because of the heat. No oil came out. Perfect on both sides. The reason I'm replacing it is because one of these was very leaky and there was oil everywhere. If you watch my water pump video, you'll see all that oil. So we'll clean these surfaces out, and then we're ready to install the new ones. But this video will just be of how to remove them. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video of how to install the replacement ones. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.